Wait, am I actually? What is that? Where's the other one? What is that? Hey, give me that chicken here, ang color pigs. Thanks. Now, can you please normally of Okay, abina sa team.
Rotate your device.
What is that? 3D. Can I see the other one? Give me that. I just see all the splashing. Kira, you in there. It's no. Put that back in the floor. No, you cannot put inside the floor. Sorry. And I talk next to stores. Can you count the colors here? Could you please count the colors? That's the fighting chicken. This is the fighting chicken. Okay. Could you put something there? Could you put something? How many eggs?
Oh, there's only one.
There's only 2 or 1. No, there are two chickens. Which the one is the new one? Which one is the new one?
This one.
How could you say that?
This the feathers.
Oh, okay. Why is it was the old one wet?
Yeah, it was wet.
Why wet? Oh no, we lost the egg. No, that's a gigantic bird. Stop. I don't understand anymore. So you should not put this inside the container, or else it's gonna die. Run! Be free, little chicken. Be free, wonderful creature. What's this? Where's your mother?